Welcome to Scented Palate. Here I have 4 chicken breasts which I am going to cut in large-sized cubes. Today guests are coming, so I've decided to make butter chicken along with other things. You can find the nutritional value and diet suitability for butter chicken at the end of the video. Now I'm going to marinate this chicken. For that I'm going to need black pepper, ginger powder, cumin, white pepper, cloves, cinnamon, black cardamom, tar anise, salt, allspice powder, red chili, garlic powder, mace, and green cardamom. I'm going to heat them up a bit to remove any moisture from the whole spices before grinding these. Do not mix allspice powder in this combination, for it will be used at the end. The spices are ready, so now I'm going to add them straight into the chicken. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to help the marination process. Mix everything thoroughly and leave it for at least 30 minutes. Now I need to blend onions, tomatoes and garlic in 1 cup of yogurt. Add this mixture into the chicken. Mix it well. Cover it and cook for 15 minutes. Here, have a closer look, how it changes on its own. After 15 minutes, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. This will help the curry to thicken up a bit so that I would not have to use a large amount of cream to do the job. Cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes without disturbing. The curry has thickened and the yogurt has released its own fats as well. Now add half a cup of heavy cream mixed with 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Never pour the cream directly into the hot cooking pot, as it will split instantly. Always measure your cream in a separate bowl and slowly add in whatever is being cooked into the cream. Pour in that mixture into the pot and your sauce or your curry will always come out silky smooth. Because of using store-bought pre-ground spices or for any reason your curry looks whitish or yellowish, you can add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder and your curry will look similar to mine. Now it is time to add the allspice powder. Let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes without cover. To prepare its final look, add 1/4 cup of cooking oil, cover it and let it simmer on very low heat for 5 minutes. This is how it looks when it's done. Now I will plate up and show you the final look.